Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming accounts and legal items so purchases can flow. Once done, create a product catalog in the store console. Start with product types: consumable, non-consumable, subscription. Pick the right model because pricing and restoration differ. Then add product ID and SKUs, localize display names and descriptions, and set base prices for each currency. Make sure tax and banking info are entered now to avoid payout delays, and generate sandbox/test users so you can hit the next development steps. Next, integrate the platform SDK. Call the billing client or store kit APIs and present products to users. You must implement purchase initiation, success, and error handlers, and ensure you acknowledge or finish transactions so platforms clear them. Validate receipts server-side or use platform verification to confirm ownership and prevent fraud. Then run thorough sandbox tests: successful buys, restores on new devices, subscription renewals and expirations, and error scenarios. Keep logs and retry logic to handle intermittent network issues and race conditions. Finally, prepare for release. Include configured in-app items when you submit your app, and provide accurate metadata and test notes to reviewers so purchases are validated. After launch, monitor metrics: conversion, revenue, and refund rates, and track any purchase-related errors. If users report problems, reproduce in Sandbox, inspect server receipt verification, entitlement granting, SDK version mismatches, and store console item status. A key troubleshooting tip: always check server clocks, certificate expirations, and token validity. Time drift often breaks receipt verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.